We're using Netscape Navigator again, and we've displayed the Northern Lights search site. It uses a number of search engines to find what we're looking for. We click in the Search For box and type the word we want to search for, binoculars. To start the search, we can either press Enter or click the Search button. We press Enter. As you can see, a simple search like this can find thousands of web pages. To look through all these pages for references to birdwatching or Seattle and Tacoma would be ridiculous. Let's try it another way. We select the text in the search box and replace it with birdwatching. Then we start the search. This time we get even more sites. Part of the problem is that when we type 2 or more words like this, search engines look for websites that contain any one of these words. If we put the words in double quotation marks, search engines will look for them as a whole phrase. Well, that's a little better, but there are still way too many sites to look through. Now we'll show you how to narrow down your search to make it a lot more manageable. Advanced search features can help you focus your search on the pages that are likely to be the most valuable to you. Here are some of the more common advanced search features. One of these features you've just seen, quotation marks to group words into phrases. Other features called Boolean operators or logical operators allow you to fine-tune a web search. One of these is the word and. Words or phrases connected by the and operator must all be found on a page for the search engine to list it. With the or operator, the search engine will list a page if it has either of the connected words or phrases. The not operator indicates that the word or phrase that follows must not be on the page. If it is, the search engine will not list it. Parentheses allow us to group words and phrases to focus a search even more. The plus sign is similar to the and operator, indicating a word or phrase that must be there. The minus sign is like the not operator. Another valuable search feature is word order. A search starts by looking for pages that contain the first word or phrase in the search statement. Putting the most important or the least common word or phrase at the front of the search statement makes it more likely that the most useful pages will display near the top of the search results. Not all search engines use every one of these features, but most search engines use at least some of them. Now let's focus our search. We put the word binoculars at the front of the search statement and connect it to birdwatching with the and operator. To fine-tune the search to the territory we'll be working in, we use the and operator again, and in parentheses we type Seattle or Tacoma. The search engine will look for pages that contain the word binoculars and the phrase birdwatching, and either Seattle or Tacoma. We start the search. Now that many pages we can deal with, especially when the documents at the top of the results list are more likely to be what we're looking for. This is an example of how to use search engines to find what we want. Next, we'll search using a subject catalog. This time, let's say you've been thinking about starting your own small business. There's a lot you need to know, so we'll search the web for helpful information using the Yahoo website. We visited the Yahoo site earlier when we set up a browser homepage. Now we'll use it for searching. Yahoo does have a search engine feature, but we'll search in the subject categories. This page shows the main categories with some of the subcategories below them. We could begin our search with one of these subcategory links, but I think the one to start with is the main Business and Economy category. This page displays a number of subcategories that could be useful. Let's start with Small Business Information. That subcategory has subcategories of its own. Most of these will be useful to us, but before we do much of anything, we should have a business plan, so we select that link. We get a list of websites offering help in creating a business plan. We can now visit any or all of these, and then later look at some of the other small business subcategories. Sometimes you want to keep a page like this available while you open other pages from it. To open linked pages in a new browser window, just click the link using the right mouse button, and from the menu select Open in New Window. You can switch between windows using the buttons in the taskbar. You can open additional windows, and then you can close windows when you're done with them. Most browsers give you one-click access to search features. In Netscape Navigator, the search button displays the Netscape search page, which offers a choice of search services. If you're using America Online, the search button displays their search page. And if you're using Internet Explorer, the search button displays a search page in the Explorer bar. Clicking Customize lets you choose which search page displays.